just might be a swear, just might be a
Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. As you can tell by that title, I'm gonna be doing a wig install on this 13x4 24-inch body wave wig. I got it from Amazon, y'all. Yes, Amazon. I'm gonna link this hair in the description below so y'all can go copy it if y'all feeling it. But if you want your lace melted like this, keep watching. All right, so I got my wig cap on. Cute. This is the packaging that the wig came in. And this is the texture, which is body wave. And this is me showing y'all the lace real quick. So right here, as y'all can see, I'm putting the makeup on my wig cap because it's obviously too light for my skin tone. I have to do that to a lot of my wig caps because a lot of them just don't match my skin tone. Like, I don't know. They need to start making darker wig caps. And here I'm doing the same thing and putting it on the lace. The knots are already bleached, but I wanted more makeup on the lace. And I'm just putting it on my head and measuring those ear tabs for me to cut them out, because if you don't cut out them ear tabs, your wig is gonna lay bulky, and we don't want that. Okay, we want our wig to lay flat and seamless, you know. All right, so now I'm about to put the lace glue on. I use Ghost Bond. I know a lot of people don't like it. I mean, I ain't had no problems with it, so boo-hoo. I'm using a popsicle stick to lay the glue down, y'all, because I don't like getting my comb sticky, and I just feel like it lays it more evenly, you know, for it to dry evenly as well. All right, so now I'm fanning it so it could become tacky enough to stick down, as you can see right here. And I'm just using that comb to just melt everything in, push the lace in a little bit more. Because if you do it with your fingers, it's gonna get really sticky. And there's me putting my lace band on to melt it down even more. I kind of leave it on for about like 8 minutes. I really don't leave it on that long. Okay, so now I'm cutting the lace. You kind of want to try to cut in a zigzag motion. As you can see, I'm not really doing a good job of that, but you try to cut in a zigzag motion so it won't look like a straight line across your head, because it gives it more of a realistic look. So that's what I'm doing right now, is cutting my lace off. So now I'm applying some foundation on my lace, because as y'all can see, it was still a little bit light, like a little white cast. But hey, we could fix that with some makeup real fast. Oh, that rhymes. Now I'm parting out my baby hair and trying to perfect my part a little bit. This is a 13x4, y'all, so we working with the little bit of room we got, okay? Now I'm using a wax stick to kind of lay the hairs down before I use my hot comb. So here I'm using my hot comb. The camera had died, so it's only going to be a little short clip of this. But as y'all can see, I'm hot combing my head. And now I'm pulling out my baby hairs so I could cut them, so I could lay them down. And here I'm using a mini flat iron. I know everybody uses this, y'all, but it do work. Like, it helps you lay the baby hairs down easier because they're going in like a curly direction. Y'all gonna see what I'm talking about. Like, y'all see that? Like, that's easy. You see how quick I just did that? Even though it's sped up, it just didn't look like it gave me a hard time, you know? And I'm finna do the same thing to this baby hair and the same thing to my sideburn. Now I'm finna curl my hair with this wand. My camera had died, so as you can see, it started skipping a little bit. But I'm just finna go through and comb my hair and wand each little piece so it can just give beach vibe, bombshell type of curls. You know what I'm saying? Right here, I'm spraying some holding spray to hold the curls in place. I don't remember the brand, but I'm gonna link it. And we done, y'all. This is the finished look. Y'all, so this is the finished look and I'm really feeling it. It's just something about a side part that kind of just makes you feel like that girl. Like the curls are giving effortless. They not too tight. They like a perfect, you know, wavy, beachy type, you know, type of vibe. But let me know what y'all think in the comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe and follow me on all my social medias at That's Jada Monet on every platform. Okay, I want to connect with y'all. But yeah, y'all, go ahead and like this video, and it's your girl Jada Monet, and I'm signing out, and I will see you next time.